Hi, welcome to Sewing with Sandy. Today we're going to look at the Brother XR9950. We're going to unbox this puppy and see what we've got. So this sewing machine is available on Amazon. Look at that, huh? XR9550. Comes well packaged. We have press foot, a little bag of feet. These are, let's see, there is a button foot and a cleaner and some tools to hold your threads on the top of your machine, and then of course your plug. This is something you need to use all the time on your machine. This is your cover. Fits over your machine, keeps the dust out when it's not in use. Especially if you leave your machine up like I do all the time, you really should keep it covered and keep the dust out. So I love that it comes with its own dust cover. Here comes the machine. Look at that, huh? How cute is this little guy? So this replaces the 6000, which was replaced by the 7000, and they keep going up in the series and adding more and better features to the machine. All right, so here are all of the different stitches that you have with this machine. You have your classic center and left and triple stitch, all kinds of zigzags and fancy stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different buttonholes, different positions, very sweet, decorative. What they've added with this machine is the alphabet. So you can literally add alphabet letters and names and whatever you're looking for to your garments. How much fun is that? It's digital, makes it easy to go. It has a hand-free or pedal-free. You can stitch with your hand, or you can stitch with the buttons. Sorry, you can stitch with the pedal, or you can stitch with the buttons if you don't like to use the pedal. Personally, I'm a pedal girl, but I've been using a pedal forever and ever and ever. Yeah, this is terrific. Let's see. Also, don't forget to open this box. I've had students that have actually bought these machines and did not open this box. And then they threw it away. They thought it was a space keeper, and it's not. This is your table. And you need this to keep your fabric flat. It gives you a work surface. So this slides on, has little feet here. You open up the feet. So it stands up, and you can adjust these feet to make it even. They screw up and down. And then this slides over your base. I'm not gonna push it all the way on right now because I have all of the foam is still in there. But this slides over your base, and it gives you all of this surface to lay your fabric on while you're sewing, so it's not dragging below the machine, which is really important. And lastly, and probably the most important, is your manual, right? This is going to help you make this machine go exactly perfectly. You should have inside this case down here, this is pretty well taped together. These are my tweezers for my serger. These work really well. You want to take all of this tape off, but it travels really well with the tape. Inside there is a little case with all kinds of goodies. Let's see what we got. We have some universal needles, twin needles. You're going to need those for your knits, a punch, bobbins. You need bobbins that are specific for your machine. You can't use generic bobbins. You need to use the bobbins that come with your machine. So a roll edge foot, a button hole foot, a universal foot, a zipper foot, and My favorite foot of all times, the edge foot. If you have one of these, you can make the best skinny seams ever. So that's it. We have the Brother XR9550. This is the newest and greatest Brother for a beginner sewer. You will absolutely love this machine. Happy sewing.